The Office for National Statistics, or the ONS, collects and processes information to create official statistics. This includes inviting people to take part in ONS surveys. We asked people aged between 18 and 34 to a workshop where they could learn about how important ONS surveys are and think about how to encourage others, just like them, to take part. Before the workshop, we asked, what do you know about the ONS and the surveys they run?
Honestly, I know very little.
I know that they collect data, they do like the census.
I know that it stands for the Office for National Statistics, and they do lots of surveys and collect lots of data.
Do you know why ONS surveys are so important?
I can't say I do, no.
To look at the change in the country and the population, things like that.
To make policy change, you need data.
After the workshop, we asked, what do you now know about the ONS that you didn't before?
So before I didn't really know anything about the ONS, to be honest, but now I'm a lot more familiar with the work that they do.
So now that I've done the session, I know that the ONS helps to provide data across lots of different organisations and governments and councils to help influence decision making.
So before the session, I was quite only familiar with it because of the census, and I knew the ONS as an organisation, but I wasn't exactly sure what they did. Now I'm a lot more aware, especially of like the letters they put through doors and the stuff that they ask.
How important do you think ONS surveys are?
Now that I've done the session, I'm a lot more informed. And I actually think they are very important. It's an interesting way to get an unbiased sort of look at a lot of different parts of the country that you might not know otherwise.
Oh, I think they're like super important, yeah.
Now that I've done the session, I believe ONS surveys are really quite important because it allows them to understand different people's view, their local area, different sort of backgrounds, lived experience, all of which are really helpful for them to give to policymakers, charities or other organisations.
What would you say to someone who's invited to take part in an ONS survey?
I would say that it is useful. It gives you a good way to have a say on things that you might not otherwise.
It's the easiest way of having an influence in the country.
I say do it because taking part can help impact your local area, like the country, nationwide, and you don't lose anything by not taking. Well, actually, you lose not having your voice heard. So actually, yeah, to have your voice heard, it's important to take part.
Thanks to everyone who took part for their opinions and ideas. You can find out more at www.ons.gov.uk.